Hello friends, today's topic of discussion is venture capital fund. These are the following topics we are going to cover in this video. Let's start with the meaning of venture capital fund. Startup companies with the potential to grow need a certain amount of investment, and wealthy investors like to invest their capital in such businesses with a long-term growth perspective. This capital is known as venture capital and the investors are known as venture capitalist. For example, I have an innovative idea to start a new business but do not have money to invest in the business. Then what will I do? I will share my business idea with others and ask them to invest in the same. If anyone would like my business idea and think that the business will be profitable in the future, would be ready to invest in my business, and the capital he or she will bring will be nothing but the venture capital fund. Fine. So let's have a look to the definition of venture capital fund. The term venture capital fund is usually used to denote mutual funds or institutional investors that provide equity finance or risk capital to little known, unregistered, highly risky, young and small private business, which are technology oriented and knowledge intensive businesses or industries which have a long development cycles and which do not have access to conventional source of capital because of absence of suitable collateral or presence of high risk. Fine. Venture capital does not always take a monetary form. It can also be provided in the form of technical or managerial expertise. Next is history of venture capital. Venture capital was basically developed as an industry after Second World War. Harvard Business School professor Georges Doriot is generally considered the father of venture capital. He started the American Research and Development Corporation in 1946 and raised a $3.5 million fund to invest in companies that commercialized technologies developed during World War II. Next is features of venture capital fund. First is financing of new companies. It is basically financing of new companies which are finding it difficult to go to capital market at their early stage of existence. Fine. Next is high risk. Venture capital represents financial investment in a highly risk project with the objective of earning high rate of returns. Fine. Next is long term horizon. Venture capital financing is a long term investment. It generally takes a long period to encash the investment in securities made by the venture capitalist. Next is equity participation and capital gains. Venture capital financing is invariably an actual or potential equity participation wherein the objective of venture capitalist is to make capital gain by selling the shares once the firm becomes profitable. Fine. Next is venture capital investment are made in innovative projects. That is quite understood. And the last is supplier of venture capital participate in management of the company. In addition to providing capital, venture capitalists take an active interest in the management of the assisted firm. And thus, the approach of venture capital firm is different from that of traditional lender of bankers. Next topic is stages in venture capital investing. First is seed stage. This is the first stage of venture capital financing. Seed stage financing are often comparatively modest amount of capital provided to investors or entrepreneurs to finance the early development of a new product or service. These early financing may be directed towards product development, market research, building a management team, and developing a business plan. Next is early stage. The early stage financing is for companies that are able to begin operations but are not yet at the stage of commercial manufacturing and sales. Next is startup. Startup financing provides fund to companies for product development and initial marketing. This type of financing is usually provided to companies just organized or to those that have been in business just a short time but have not yet sold their product in the marketplace. Fine. Next is first stage. Most first stage companies have been in business less than 3 years and have a product or service in testing or pilot production. So, in that case, capital is provided to initial commercial manufacturing and sales. Next is formative stage. Formative stage financing includes seed stage and early stage. And the last is later stage. In the later stage, capital is provided after commercial manufacturing and sales, but before any initial public offering. The product and service in the production and is commercially available. The company demonstrates significant revenue growth but may or may not be showing a profit. Now let's understand the process of venture capital. First is deal origination. Deal origination is the process by which venture capitalists identify investment opportunities. There may be various sources of origination of deals. One such source is referral system in which deals are referred to venture capitalists by their parent organization, trade partner, industry association, friends, etc. Another source of deal flow is the active search through networks, trade fairs, conferences, seminar, foreign visits, etc. There are certain intermediaries who act as a link between venture capitalist and the entrepreneur, also become source of deal origination. Next is screening. Venture capitalist, in his effort to choose the best venture, first of all undertakes preliminary screening of all projects on the basis of certain criteria such as technology or product, market scope, size of the investment, geographical location, and stage of financing. And entrepreneurs are also invited for face to face discussion for seeking certain clarification. Next is evaluation. After a proposal has passed preliminary screening, a detailed evaluation of the proposal takes place. A detailed study of project profile, track record of the entrepreneur, market potential, technological feasibility, future turnover, profitability, etc. is undertaken. After considering in detail aspect of the proposal, venture capitalists take a final decision in terms of risk return spectrum. Fine. Next is deal negotiation. Once the venture is found viable, the venture capitalist negotiates the term of the deal with the entrepreneur. Terms of deal include amount, form, and the price of investment. Terms of deal should be mutually beneficial to both venture capitalist and the entrepreneur. It should be flexible and its structure should safeguard the interest of both the parties. Fine. Next is post investment activity. Once the deal is financed and the venture begins working, the venture capitalist associate himself with the enterprise and as a partner and collaborate in order to ensure that the enterprise is operating as per the plan. Generally, the venture capitalist does not interfere in the day-to-day working of the enterprise. It intervenes only a financial or managerial crisis take place. And the last is exit plan. The last stage of venture capitalist financing is the exit to realize the investment so as to make a profit or minimize losses. Venture capitalists may exist through IPOs, acquisition by another company, purchase of the venture capitalist share by the promoter or by any outsider. Next is what are the traits that are needed for venture capital? First is an enterprises which has the potential to grow in near future. Fine. Next is the investment should be long term investment. Next, the risk should be high of the ongoing projects in the concern that it should also ensure high amount of profit. Fine. And the last is once the funding is done, the investor must also remain active. Next is what are the key elements that should be studied by the venture capitalist before investing. Fine. First is management. Significant credibility of the company is brought by the strength, expertise, and unit of the main people on the board. The members should be mature, experienced, and having working knowledge of the business and capable of taking potential high risk. Fine. Next is potential for capital gain. Return of about 30 to 40%, which is an above average rate, is required by venture capitalists. The rate of return also depends upon the stage of the business cycle where funds are being deployed. Earlier the stage, higher will be the risk and hence the return. Fine. Next is realistic financial requirement and projection. The venture capitalists need a view about the present health of the organization as well as future projection regarding scope, nature, and performance of the company. Fine. Next is owner's financial stake. The financial resource of the enterprise in the business include the fund invested by family, friends, and relatives. It plays a very important role in increasing the viability of the business. These advantages of venture capital. Basically, these are the advantages to the entrepreneur who is new in the business. Venture capitalists may provide business consultation, management consultation, human resource consultation, and additional resource consultation to the entrepreneur. And why venture capitalists provide these consultation to the entrepreneur? Because he has a vested interest in the success of the business. The last topic is problems of venture capital. First is requirement of an experienced management team. Next is requirement of rate of return on investment on above average. This is because there is a high risk in the venture capital and at the same time we require a high rate of return also. Fine. Next is longer payback. Yes, there is a longer payback because venture capital is a long term investment and we can expect the return only after a long period of time. Fine. Next is uncertainty regarding the success of the product. Next is question regarding the infrastructure detail of the production like plant location, accessibility, relationship with supplier and creditor, transportation facilities, labor availability, etc. There is a question regarding the infrastructure detail of the production because entrepreneur is new in the business and he does not have the experience of running the business. Fine. Next is major competitors and their market share. And the last is skills and training required and the cost of training. So this was all about venture capital fund. Thank you for watching.